15 minutes is all you need to prep this easy and delicious diabetic lunch. You can't have a recipe without the ingredients. The beautiful part, you can get all these at your local Walmart, Kroger, Albertsons, Aldi. Aldi's new in town here. I absolutely love it. We have our Mission Carb Balance wraps. These are a staple in our kitchen. And if you're new with me, hey, I'm Dietitian Shelly. I want you to look at the label and we see that fiber. Y'all know I always stress fiber above 5. These are 17. Of course, you can use the store brand. I have Sargento cheese, and be sure to check out that label. Make sure that sugar is 0. We have some rotisserie chicken. Yes, I did buy it in the package. You can buy your own and cut it up. Spinach, and I forgot to show you all the red pepper. Grab a strainer, spatula, pan, your meal prep containers, or if you're like me, Ziploc bags. Make sure you got 4 of those. This recipe is crazy easy, and remember, we are doing this 4 times. You're going to take your handful of spinach. I'm actually going to take 2 handfuls of spinach. We're going to put it in our little strainer. We're going to give it a wash. Love spinach in here because you're not going to believe this. A cup of our spinach is only 7 calories. I actually love spinach as well. I personally feel like it has a little bit of a longer shelf life than your lettuce varieties. It's up to you. The verdict's still out on that. Once you're done rinsing that spinach, you're going to take your towel and you're going to blot this pretty dry. And again, it may be easy for you to wash the entire bag at once if your strainer is a little bit bigger, because we're making 4 of these. You're then going to go ahead and grab that red pepper. I love the color of the red next to the green, but of course you could grab green, you can grab yellow, you can grab whatever is on sale. I did forget to show this in the ingredients, so here it is. We have to remember a red pepper has 26 calories, 6 grams of carbs, 2 grams of fiber, yielding 4 net carbs. Now you also, after this is chopped really thin, again, it doesn't have to be all even. I am not a chef. I'm a dietitian who just likes to cook. And so I'm going to just cut as easy as I can. And if you're new here, I'm Dietitian Shelly. Welcome to this channel. During the day, I work with folks with diabetes, prediabetes, lots of women's health, so menopause, PCOS, and we really work on recipes like this. I like to bring easy, fast recipes to you all. So if that's you, go ahead and give this channel a like and subscribe, please. You saw I lay the chicken on this. Remember, we're going to do this 4 times. You then are going to grab your nonstick cooking spray. You know, I'm really contemplating buying one of those pump sprays. If you have a pump spray, let me know in the comment section if you do like it. And I may be addressing it with the wrong name. It's just kind of like you pump it and you put your oil in there, so like your olive oil, and you pump it and you're able to spray it. So let me know. I would love to add this to my kitchen if it's something that works great. You're going to cook this on medium-high heat for about 2 minutes on each side. While that is cooking, while you flipped it, because we flipped it, you can go ahead and grab your meal prep containers and line them up, or of course you can grab your Ziploc bags. You know, my meal prep containers are not fancy at all. I believe I got these off Amazon. They work great. I do also believe Sam sells them as well. But again, please don't go out and buy if you have some Ziploc bags. Now, to finish this recipe up, we're going to go ahead and cut our wrap in half. You can cut it into 4 triangles, and we're going to finish meal prepping this by adding a cup of our berries to this. Remember, berries are an amazing source of fiber, and I want you to choose the next item you add to it. My next video that I'm going to show right here has some amazing salad recipes, and pick the one that's going to work the best for you. Gang, I'm Dietitian Shelly. Much love. Go ahead and give this video a like, thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe.